Hi, welcome to Cantonese Home. This is Madam Cheung, Mama Cheung. So she teach people on internet how to make some Cantonese food, Cantonese cuisine. So this is some particular dish. It's like cookies, Cantonese cookie, and soup, for example. And we actually can make cake with rice cooker. This is something that I really want to try. Then you will see this kind of classical dishes. And in her video, she would speak
啲網友咧又想我哋
Cantonese
分享下呢個蛋撻食譜，所以
with
今日咧我哋整一個曲奇餅嘅蛋撻，咁啊睇下。
English title. That's really nice that it helps your Cantonese learning. And if you enjoy seeing a video like this, really appreciate what she have done on internet. So I would like to introduce her to you all. So this is the we so-called sweet soup, 糖水,甜品 sweets dessert, 甜品糖水蛋撻炒米餅江蘇餅餅 is biscuits. This is the 紅燒豆腐. There's so many good food. 電飯煲蛋糕